Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Kamran Malik is again here to tell you about examinations of Cambridge for 2022. My today's presentation discussion applies equally to both exams of June 2022 as well as of October-November 2022. As I mentioned in my video of 27th of July, that there are some consultations which are going on in the UK to make necessary arrangements and amendments in the examination for GCSE, IGCSE, O level, A level, to accommodate students whose studies have been disrupted because of the corona pandemic. We thought initially, and actually we were told that the consultations will be announced and made public in the first week of September, but they were made public on 30th of September, a week ago. I was very busy during the last week, so I could not talk to you, but today I got some time and I thought I should share some information with you and the outcome of that consultation with you, and so that you can prepare and your teachers can prepare accordingly. So there are four major changes which are recommended by Ofqual in the coming exams. All those four changes are compulsory and mandatory for UK exam boards to follow. So once Ofqual has recommended those four changes, all exam boards which are operating in the UK, they will be following those four changes. However, Cambridge International, since it operates mainly outside the UK, so for them, obeying those suggestions of Ofqual is a little optional. However, in the past we have seen that even Cambridge International has followed the instructions of Ofqual. So I hope that these four suggestions will also be accepted and accommodated by Cambridge International. That applies to the students of Pakistan. So what are those four changes? What are going to be their impact? And out of those four changes, has Cambridge already accepted some changes, or they are still in the process? So I'll try to answer all those questions. So what are the four changes? The first change is the exemption of practical science, practical subjects, and exemptions for computer science and art and design. So briefly speaking, all those exemptions which were available to the students who took exams of GCSE, IGCSE, O level, A level in June 2021, the last June, and those exemptions which were available in June 2021 will also be available in June 2022. Similarly, exemptions which were available in November 2022 series, which is now going on these days, any exemption which was available for examination series of November 2021 in Pakistan, those exemptions will be available in November 2022 as well. So that is confirmed because Cambridge has officially confirmed that they will be following this suggestion and this instruction and this advice of Ofqual, and they'll be giving these exemptions. However, the other three suggestions and other three recommendations of Ofqual, Cambridge has not yet announced that, but I hope they will also accept those changes. The second change which Ofqual has recommended, that an advanced information of important topics for most of the subjects of IGCSE and A level should be given to the teachers, schools and students before 7th of February 2022. So that list will contain important topics. Now earlier it was a thought of Ofqual that this list should be provided to the schools, teachers and centers at the beginning of September, that is the beginning of the school session, so that teachers can adjust their teaching according to that list and teachers focus on those topics which are recommended by the exam boards and maybe don't teach those topics which are not in that list. So fearing this, Ofqual made that amendment, and the stakeholders thought that at the moment this list should not be given so that teachers focus equally on the entire syllabus. However, for revision that begins in the month of February or in month of March, for revision purposes, list of important topics should be given so that teachers teach the entire course but still have the benefit of concentrating on a few topics, on a limited number of topics, on a limited range of topics for revision, so that students whose studies are disrupted because of corona pandemic, they also get a chance to pass exams with good grades. So there will be advanced information about important topics for most of the subjects of O level and A level, and that information will be given to the students before 7th of February 2022. But please note that Cambridge has not officially announced yet that will they be following this suggestion and advice of Cambridge, Ofqual or not. UK exam boards have confirmed, Pearson has confirmed, AQA has confirmed, OCR has confirmed. They'll be making this change. They'll be giving advance notice to all their centers by 7th of February 2022. Most probably Cambridge will also do that. The third change which the Ofqual has recommended is the extra resource material. A formula sheet may be provided to the students of mathematics. A formula sheet may also be provided to the students of physics so that they don't have to memorize all the formulas which they normally have to. And that formula sheet will help students to focus more on the examination aspect instead of memorizing formulas. So this list will also be made available before 7th of February so that students are familiar that this list will be given to them again in the examination hall and they do not need to memorize these formulas. Again, Ofqual has made that recommendation for all exam boards. All exam boards working in UK have confirmed they'll be issuing a formula sheet and resource material to the students of subjects like mathematics and physics. However, Cambridge has yet to make an announcement. Hopefully, they will also provide the formula sheet. The fourth change, which is recommended by Ofqual, again for the exam boards of UK, and that change is the grading criteria will be amended. We all know that the last examination, the formal examination that took place was in June 2019. June 2020, exams were not held. June 2021, exams in most of the countries were not held, including UK. So what happened? In June 19, students got results on the basis of their own performance. In June 2020, students got predicted results on the basis of results sent by their schools and teachers. And June 2021, they introduced a slightly different system that was known as TAGs, Teachers Assess Grades. So what they are suggesting now, they say that normal exams and students will be able to overcome the shock of pandemic in 2023. 2022 is still not a normal year, and they believe, the stakeholders believe, the Ofqual believes, the exam boards believe, the teachers believe that the studies have still been affected and students are not fully prepared. So to accommodate them, they say we will go back to the normal examination pattern, but that will take some time, and exams normally will be held in June 2023. June 2022 and November 2022 will be a transition year. So what they are going to accommodate students, what they are going to do to accommodate students, the grades of 2022 will be slightly better than the grades of June 19, but they will be slightly poor than the grades of 2020. तो 2020 में बड़े जेनरस ग्रेड मिले थे, वो नहीं मिलेंगे, पर 2019 के जो ग्रेड थे उनसे बेहतर मिलेंगे. तो what are they doing? For example, I am giving you an example. Of course, the criteria is a little more complicated, but I am just giving a simple example. अगर जून 19 में एक बच्चे का आया था 80% पे ए ग्रेड और 90% पे जो 70% पे ए ग्रेड दे दिया जून 2021 में TAG में 70% पे ए ग्रेड दे दिया, जबकि जून 19 में 80% पे था, तो अभी 75% पे ए ग्रेड मिलेगा. मीनिंग कम नंबर चाहिए होंगे जून 19 के मुकाबले में जून 2022 में ए ग्रेड लेने के लिए, लेकिन ज़्यादा नंबर चाहिए होंगे कंपेयर टू TAGs ऑफ जून 2022. तो ये मिड पॉइंट का जो एक फार्मूला कैलकुलेशन है, दैट इज अगेन गोइंग टू हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स टू गेट बेटर ग्रेड्स देन द ग्रेड्स विच दे कुड हैव स्कोर्ड बाय डूइंग द सेम परफॉर्मेंस और गिविंग द सेम परफॉर्मेंस इन ए नॉर्मल एग्जाम सीरीज. तो ये भी एक कंपनसेशन मिल रही है. अगेन कैम्ब्रिज हैज़ नॉट कन्फर्म. तो लेट मी टेल यू 4 चेंजेस रिकमेंडेड बाय ऑफकोल. फर्स्ट चेंज के प्रैक्टिकल पेपर एग्जाम्प्ट होंगे ए लेवल और ओ लेवल के बच्चों को. ये चेंज कैम्ब्रिज ने कंफर्म कर दी है. आपको प्रैक्टिकल पेपर में एग्जाम्पशन है ए लेवल में भी और ओ लेवल के अल्टरनेटिव टू प्रैक्टिकल के पेपर में भी. जो एग्जाम्पशन अवेलेबल थी जून 21 में वो जून 22 में अवेलेबल होंगी. जो नवंबर 21 में अवेलेबल थी वो नवंबर 22 में अवेलेबल होंगी. तो ये तो कंफर्म कर दिए कैम्ब्रिज ने. अब आपके टीचर आप पे डिपेंड करता है कि आप फिर भी लैब वर्क करें, क्योंकि लैब वर्क करना ज़रूरी है ताकि आप प्रिपेयर होकर जाएं कॉलेज की और ग्रेजुएशन स्टडीज़ के लिए. पर दैट इज़ अप टू योर टीचर्स एंड स्कूल्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स कि वो आप कितने प्रैक्टिकल करते हैं, एग्जामिशन लेते हैं या नहीं लेते. कैम्ब्रिज ने कंफर्म कर रहा हूँ कि एग्जामिशन ऑफर कर दी है फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर टू. हाउएवर अदर 3 accommodations, other 3 changes कैम्ब्रिज ने अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं की, बाकी सब एग्जाम बोर्ड ने कंफर्म कर दी हैं और ये लाइकली है कैम्ब्रिज भी कंफर्म कर देगा। उसमें दूसरी चेंज ये है कि आपको एक एडवांस नोटिस मिलेगा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक के बारे में रिवीजन के लिए कि आप इन टॉपिक पे फोकस करें। नंबर 3 आपको फार्मूला शीट फिजिक्स और मैथ्स के पेपर में मिलेगी। और नंबर 3 ग्रेड जो है मिड पॉइंट पे होगा, जो नंबर 19 में लिए थे उनका उनसे कम चाहिए होंगे ग्रेड लेने के लिए। आज जून 21 में जिन बच्चों को TAG मिले वो जो नंबरों पे ग्रेड मिला उनसे ज़्यादा चाहिए होंगे, तो मिड पॉइंट के अंदर कहीं ग्रेड मिलेगा जून 2022 में। ये आखिरी जो 3 चेंजेस हैं ये अभी तक कैम्ब्रिज ने कंफर्म नहीं की, जब कंफर्म करेंगे हम आपको अपडेट करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर योर टाइम। अपने क्वेश्चन पोस्ट कर दीजिए, हम ट्राई करेंगे उनको आंसर करना। गुड लक।